tasty, fun, and easy recipes for viewers young and old. And here's your host, Shasta.
Hey guys, welcome to my show. I hope you're in the mood for something tasty and healthy. So today I'm going to be making a acai bowl, and I think that's how you pronounce it. I googled it and stuff like that, so I think it's pronounced acai. So here are my ingredients right here. I have the acai. You can get this from Target, but let me tell you, it is kind of expensive. It's like $6 for like 4 of these things, and it only makes 2 bowls. So if you want to go somewhere cheaper, go to like Trader Joe's or somewhere like that. But here's my main ingredient. This is the acai. And then I'm going to be using a banana. It's supposed to be frozen, but we're going to work with it. And here is the almond milk that I'm going to use. Shout out to Haley for this. I was going to use the 2% milk, but I'm going to stray away from that. And then we're also going to be using some yogurt. So before I get started, I want to tell you a little bit of some fun facts about these ingredients. So did y'all know that a banana is actually a berry? And did you know that humans share 50% of our DNA with bananas? So I thought that was really exciting. Also, I don't know much about acai other than it's healthy, and I'm not healthy, so I'm going to be trying this out today, and we're all going to be healthy together. So after this video, we're all going to taste how well I did. And then yogurt, I don't really know too much about that besides it's good. And then we also have almond milk, and I know it's better than milk. So let's get started. So first, I'm going to have my acai, and they tell you to thaw it and put it through warm water for about 2 minutes. So this is why it's kind of like not as frozen. You're able to move it around. So here I'm going to open my blender. And also, guys, I know my blender looks a little bit dusty, but it's for a reason. I was practicing for y'all, so y'all won't be tasting anything crazy. But yeah, so let's get this started. So here we're going to put this in here. Okay. Yeah, it might be a little bit tough. Again, I am weak. I need to start working out, so it's going to be a struggle today. And I use 2 packets because you're supposed to, but if you don't want to get like a thick one, if you don't want her to be thick, you can use 1, and that'll be fine as well. And you want to get all of it out because you want to get your money's worth, so squeeze it a little bit. I might go back to the first packet and work with it a little bit. Here we go. She's a thick one. All right. Then I think I've squeezed enough in this one. Okay. All right. And then now on for the banana. It's kind of a mess on here. So we're going to take this banana, and remember, it is not just a regular fruit. It's a berry. So, all right, we're going to put this in here. Okay. Yeah, and these are only 29 cents per pound, so y'all need to stop by Target. All right, guys, so after this commercial break, we're going to go on, and I'm going to mix it up a little bit for y'all, and we'll be ready. All right, stay tuned.
Sally struggles with getting to class on time. Mike is always on time. How does he do it?
I used to be just like you, Sal. I was late to class every day and I was always exhausted. But Raptor Z saved my life. Now I'm able to make it to class with time to spare.
I need to get a pair as soon as possible.
Sally, wow, I think this is the first time you made it to class before me.
Yep, thanks to Raptor Z, I'll never be late to class again.
Thanks, Raptor Z.
Okay, guys, welcome back to Stylish Cooking. So, as I mentioned before, we're about to mix this up in the blender for you guys. Oh gosh. Okay. Maybe I need to stir my yogurt a little bit more because it's not looking too good. Camera 3, can you show them how bad this is looking? Okay, never mind. All right. So we're going to put this in here. And from my previous attempt, I learned that it's not good to put too much. Maybe I should put a little bit more. But yeah. She's a juicy one. Okay. All right. Then here's my almond milk. Again, shout out to Haley. You did your thing, girl. All right. Pour this in here. And you don't want too much because the last time I did it, it was kind of like liquidy, and you don't really want that in your smoothie bowl. You kind of want her thick, like I mentioned before. Okay. And we have to make sure that the cap is off. Y'all, I need to go to the weight room because this is not working. Okay, here we go. All right. And we're going to put it on Pure Smoothie Icy Drink. Okay, she looks good. All right. So now we're going to open her up. And we're going to pour in the bowl. So this is our main ingredient. Okay. Here we go. And also, by the way, I got this bowl from Target for like 85 cents. So shout out to Target. You came in clutch today. Okay. All right. So here's the fun part. This is where the stylish cooking comes in. We are going to have granola, strawberries. We're going to use the banana again. Again, a banana's a berry. Okay, I got these from the Dollar Tree, and they don't really taste too good, so we're going to just use a little bit of it because I need to get my money's worth. Okay, here we go. So first, we're going to start off with the granola. I try to make it pretty because I saw a lot of Pinterest boards, and you know how they're like all bougie and stuff. So I try to like be like them, but it's not going to work today. And so we're going to cut up these strawberries and make them look all pretty. I'm going to lay them out. And this is really good for like breakfast if you don't want to have like any, you know, just regular cereal or oatmeal or anything like that. This would be a good replacement. It's healthy, guys. It's rich in a lot of stuff that I don't know about, but I know it's good for you. But just don't eat too much of it. It's like a lot of sugar. Okay. All right, we're going to have another strawberry. Who doesn't like strawberries? I mean, we're just going to overload on these things. And since it's not like strawberry season, these were kind of expensive. Like back in the summer, it was like $1.98, and these were like $2.35. All right, I'm gonna add another strawberry because it's not looking how I want it. All right, here we go. Okay, so and then again, we're gonna add these, but not a lot. Okay. And then you can also repeat your steps. So I'm gonna go back to my granola, and I got these. Okay, y'all should thank me because this costs way too much money, but my boyfriend told me to get it because he said I was being cheap. So this is vanilla almond, and it's good for you. It's granola. Okay, it's not as pretty as Pinterest, but we're getting there. Okay, let me go back to the strawberry. Oh, I forgot my banana. Okay. You know what? We're not going to do the banana today. All right, guys, that concludes my show. I hope you enjoyed this acai bowl. It's very good for you. It's a nice breakfast replacement from the regular cereal, so stay tuned for more videos on healthy eating.